Today we are going to discuss a short story, The Unbreakable Bond. In a quiet village nestled with rolling hills and lush forest, there once lived a widow named Meera with her daughter Mary. Meera used to stitch clothes for living. Despite of modest means, their life was full of love and laughter. One day, Mary, out of her curiosity and exploration, wandered deep into the forest. While her mother, Meera, was at work and stitching clothes. She was enchanted by the vibrant flowers and the animals in the forest, but soon realized that she was lost. But as the sun dipped below the horizon in the sky, the forest grew darker and the strange noises filled the air. She huddled under the tree and was frightened and started to cry. As Meera returned home and found Mary missing, Meera immediately understood that Mary will be in the forest. She lit a lantern and set out to find Mary. Hours turned into endless night as Meera searched tirelessly through the forest. The love of her daughter gave her strength to push her through her fears of losing her. Finally, as the dawn began to break, Meera heard a faint cry. She found Mary curved beneath a tree and was crying. Overwhelmed with relief, she scooped Mary up in her arms and hugged her with love and affection. Mary told her, "I was so scared, Ma, I thought I will never see you again." Meera smiled through her tears and told Mary that no matter where you are, my love will always find you. From that day on, Mary never forgot the depth of her mother's love. Moral: the mother's love is unconditional and unwavering. It is a force that knows no bounds, capable of overcoming any challenge to protect her child. Do subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.